Today we're going to be replacing a standard receptacle with this nifty little child lock one that I found on Amazon. What we're also going to be doing is we're going to be putting a Z-WAVE receptacle in. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Remove the outlet. This is the GE Z-WAVE receptacle I'll be putting in its place. Probably wondering what this black stuff was. It's because I actually had taken this off from another spot in my house, and that's residue from the electrical tape. Now, the silver screw is always going to be the neutral. The black or gold is always going to be your line, and then your green will always be your bear. Without further ado, let's get started. This is just something I do as an added precaution. This outlet doesn't really matter as much because in this outlet, there are no other wires to other outlets. I'm always worried about the bare copper lines touching, but we actually appear to be good here. Might as well do it anyway. And you see, I'm not covering these vents, only going over where I feel like contacts could eventually touch one day. So we're going to tuck this back in here. Oops, got it upside down. The way it works is it sits in here, which locks it in place. Pretty cool. But the first thing we're going to do is secure the outlet. Throw a couple of screws on. Now what you would normally do with it being off, you would go to your Z-WAVE controller, in my case Home Assistant, and you would click Add Device or put it in inclusion mode. You would just click that and it would turn on. That will do it, I do believe. Go ahead and pop this on. And that is cool. Yeah, I think that would definitely keep the baby out. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks.